Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately. Break or tear 2 6-cups of stale bread into roughly 1-2 cm pieces so they dry evenly. Preheat the oven to 250 degrees or use a toaster oven on low. You want gentle heat to remove moisture without browning. Once the oven is ready, spread the cubes in a single layer on a baking sheet. Make sure to leave space so air circulates. You're aiming to reduce moisture quickly before grinding, not toasting for flavor. You bake the cubes 20-35 minutes, stirring every 8-10 minutes to promote even drying. Lower moisture crusts will finish faster. Once done, cool them fully to room temperature. If you skip this step, steam will make clumps during grinding. You then pulse in a food processor in short bursts for control, pulse more for fine crumbs, fewer pulses for coarse. After processing, sift or shake through a mesh to separate fines from larger pieces and reprocess any oversized bits. You finish by cooling the crumbs completely, then store in an airtight container at room temp up to 2 weeks or freeze for months. Labeling date helps. For ultra-fine crumbs, make 2-3 short pulses or use a spice grinder for small quantities. If your crumbs seem soggy, don't panic. Re-dry them at 200 degrees for 10-15 minutes, stirring once or twice, then cool fully before storing. This removes residual moisture and prevents mold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.